to your own YouTube channel Tech Forest. My name is Bhavesh, trainer of this entire Sophos series. Today we will talk about how to put a bandwidth capping on a specific website. This video would be a last video of this traffic shaping concept, and in our past 2 or 3 videos we already discussed about these options which we use while creating a traffic shaping policy, like what is policy association, rule type, limit, priority, and bandwidth usage type, and etc. I hope you are watching this Sophos series from the beginning. So let's start today's session. Before proceeding for a practical, let's take an example. I hope you know what is Dropbox and what is Google Drive and how they are work. As you know that if we install Dropbox agent in our client machine, and if you are using Dropbox in our organization, if anyone from our team make any changes on a file, immediately that will sync on our computer, and if they upload any new data, automatically it will download in our machine. So I mean to say, these type of applications consume lots of bandwidth. And if we talk about the Google Drive application, same thing happen in that case as well. Your scenario may be different, like you want to put a capping on a YouTube. Suppose in your organization YouTube is allowed, but you want to apply a setting so that all users can watch YouTube but cannot exceed the limitation from a particular website. So what we are going to do is, we are making a policy and we are taking an example of Dropbox.com. We will create a policy and we will apply a setting that all the users in an organization cannot consume bandwidth from more than 5 Mbps. So let's see how to do this. As you already know that you can open traffic shaping policy by clicking on system and services, and in this page you'll get the option to click on add. By filling the details here, you can create a policy as we done in a last video. But the best way for creating a web policy is click on web. Let me just open a duplicate tab so that we can correlate both the scenario. I'm not creating a traffic policy from here. What I'm doing is I'm going to the web. This is the policy, and this policy is in use and applied for my users. In your case, your policy may be different. I'm taking an example and applying traffic shaping policy in this default policy. First of all, click on category, click on add. You have to create a category of those websites in which you want to apply this capping. Just give a name. In a classification, you can select a productive. Here you have an option traffic shaping policy. If you drop down and click on new, here you will find exactly same option which is available over here. You can also create a policy, traffic shaping policy, from this page as well. And if you drop down, you will find your policy here. But right now, as policy is not created, so it's showing none. I'm clicking on create new, give the name. Here automatically web category is selected. My rule type is limit. Upload and download separately is disabled. Priority, I'm selecting business critical. If I want to create a 5 Mbps, then I have to put in a KB like 640 KB. 1024 multiply by 5 and divided by 8. Same we already discussed in our first video of traffic shaping. So I'm not going to explain again. Request you to watch a previous video. I'm putting a 640 KB and clicking on save. My traffic shaping policy is applied on a category of Dropbox limit, but we have not mentioned the URL right now. You can also add any URL in which you want to apply this rule, like youtube.com, and put the name accordingly so that you can identify this thing in the future. This is just an example. Click on save. Just move to the policy, and suppose users traffic are passing from the default policy. You have to click on add rule. Here you will find all web traffic. Just remove that. Click on add. Click on view all. Search for the policy you created. Once you click on show all, it takes little bit time to load all the policy. So have patience in that case. Click on apply. Don't forget to allow this and turn on this policy. Click after completing this, apply changes. So guys, this is how you can create and apply this policy. Here it's showing that connect this policy, means web policy, with the firewall rule. If your web policy rule is already associated with the firewall rule, then this prompt will not come. Here I'm clicking on skip. Hope you will select your correct web policy in which your users traffic is passing. So guys, this is enough for today's video. If you have any questions in your mind regarding this topic, or if you want me to create a video on a specific topic, you can raise your concern in a comment section. If you are liking my work and efforts, so as your appreciation, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you in a next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.